First ride of the year. Akit kaming Hollywood. Climb na.
Dito ako nagtitipid talaga eh.
Pag bumanat ka agad dyan, ubos. Ayun na, lapit na. Idulo natin, tapos balik tayo pababa.
Ha?
Dulo natin.
Sige.
Sprint climb. Woo! Sarap. Paubos na ang tubig.
Parang inom ko kanina sa kalahati eh. Naubos isa ko eh.
Last segment of the climb. Three bastards. Last segment. Ending gate. Woo! Ayos. Ayos. Taas na rin. Hollywood! Again! Yes, yan! Woo!
Awesome. You gotta hold power for 1 minute on that climb.
Wow!
If you can hold 1 minute, you're okay.
I was sprinting all the way I can.
Dude, you're fast though. You didn't even go out of saddle.
Give me a sorry. Going down. Akit tayo ulit. Ha?
Tara,
Tara.
dahan-dahan lang.
Back up again. Wanna go down? Let's go.
All right, guys.
Good to see you, bro.
I'll see you guys soon. Tumibot ako dun ah.
Lamig! Ayos! Oh, sarap ah. Pauwi na.
Nakapagod.
Ay, pagod.
Tinipid ko talaga yung lakas ito eh.